Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Isa. Thank you so much for being here. So for today's video, I am going to be unboxing my new Nintendo Switch Lite. I bought this in the color coral, so I have that. And also with this, I bought the Animal Crossing game because I've heard so many good things about it and I wanted to try it for myself. I am so grateful that I have this and I can play with it. I am going to show you all the unboxing and the introduction to my Animal Crossing game, and I hope you enjoy. If you do enjoy, please subscribe down below. Make sure to hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a video. Let's get started with today's unboxing.
In my world, I don't worry, darling. I just smile, 'cause you're by my side. And now your eyes open up every morning to the love that shines in mine. And I see it in yours too. So now I sing to you. And when you go, leave me here all alone, I'll be waiting. We can make it, 'cause I know that after all this time, you'll remain these love, feeling reminiscing on the time when we first met. I was tongue-tied, stupefied. What was it that I said? Probably something foolish that didn't make much sense. But you remembered a year later when I saw you next. When I told you that I need to hold you, you said come right on over. I could not wait to show you. I cherish all your lines. And after all this time,